Can I, filming the, our meeting?
Sure.
Emily.
Who's Diana? Sorry, Diana is my sister.
나를 소개한다면은
네.
올해 8순입니다. 한국 미국 나이 8순인데 한국 나이 60이에요. 저 60년 전에 한국에 왔어요.
한국 나요.
한국 나이가 많아. 근데 그 대신에 한국에 대해서 많이 배웠고 또 제 눈으로 많이 봤어요. 박정희의 장례식은 장거리에서 좀 봤어요.
박정희 대통령 시해 사건의 첫 공판이 군법회의에서 계속 맡게 됐습니다.
상여가 지나가는 것을 우리 집에서 봤어요. 또 전두환의 반란, 또 제 광주에 아는 사람도 있었어요. 이렇게 해서 같이 있는 사람이라. 오케이, 또 직책은 뭐요? 작가?
네.
오.
I'm 그냥 프로듀서.
그 인터뷰가 어느 쪽에서 하시는 건지.
김.
임.
김.
김.
Yes.
임. 어디 김치예요?
청풍.
아니, 저 마치 주민센터 같아요. 주민센터.
아니 정품 김치 제가
김치.
제가 족보 하나 있습니다.
족보?
완벽한 족보가 아니고 낙관
낙관이 찍힌 거.
공부하러 얻었어요. 나는 말하지만 쉽게 말하면 난 족보쟁이입니다. 족보쟁이. 나는 건대 중에 건대야.
이야, 이게 뭔가 뭐 아주 재밌으면서도 강력한 내공이 좀 느껴집니다.
오케이?
네.
오케이, 합시다. 따라왔어요. 비밀길이에요. 도깨비도 있어. 도깨비 있다고. 여기에요.
우와, 이거 뭐예요?
이거 제 스튜디오입니다. 이거 박스인데 보여드릴까? 보여줍시다. 진짜 족보입니다. 진짜
진짜예요?
족보입니다.
대박이다.
이순신하고 이율곡의 족보입니다.
아, 실제 족보예요?
네, 실제예요. 덕수 이씨라고 했잖아요.
와, 이순신 장군 율곡이 선생님의 족보요.
거기 이순신 있잖아요. 8명 혀져 있고 1명 열려 있다. 비속을 하나 세워봅시다. 이겁니다.
상소문?
쌍소문이에요.
어머.
남편이 돌아가신 분은 이 까만 도장 쓰는 거예요. 이 까만 도장은 박이 도장 아니잖아.
거시기 모자 조금 탐나네요.
남도에서 사셨나 봐.
네. 자기소개 한번 해주세요.
뭐요? 자기소개? 제 이름은 마크 피터슨입니다. 난 대학 교수입니다. 대학교에는 34년 동안 가르쳤습니다. 주로 가르치는 것은 한국 역사예요.
와, 역사를.
한국에 가르칠 때 한국 역사, 여기 미국의 학교는 한국 역사, 한국 문학, 고전문학, 현대문학, 또한 문화사.
좋아요.
BYU에 계시는구나.
저 석사는 하버드 박사도 하버드에서는 좀 했었어요. 네, 저 석박사이라고 하잖아요. 그 메인 캠퍼스.
하버드 출신이셨어.
하버드셨어. 야, 훈장을 받으셨구나.
아니, 근데 미국인이 한국 역사를 가리킨다는 게 너무 신기한데.
아닌데?
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 뭐 아닌데?
아니 박사 했단 게
사익단계.
사투리 또 하시고 진짜.
지금은 한국은 아주 인기가 있어요. 아주 K-pop, K-wave 뭐저 관광객이 좀 많은데 옛날에는 안 그랬어요.
그치 옛날에는
한국에 65년도에 처음 갔었습니다. 그러니까 옛날에는 안 그렇지만 나는 느꼈어요. 옛날에도 이 한국에 뭔가 특수한 거 있어요. 사람들이 정이 있다는 것은 좀 틀림없어요. 난 65년대에도 그 정을 느꼈습니다.
찾으려고 거스풀 잔디에서
난 한국병을 걸렸습니다. 저 한국병을 너무나 한국 함정에 빠졌어요.
되게 귀여우신 것 같아요.
귀엽다고? 아니 그 있어.
아재 개그도 하시고.
You laugh at a corny joke like that?
Korean culture has always been something that's
우리 학생 3명
30년 전에 저 모습이었던 우리 제자들.
Hi, my name is Rob Patterson. In 2001, I went to Korea with Dr. Mark Peterson, and we
멋있어요.
멋있어,
멋있어.
멋있어.
and learned some of the Korean language while we were there. So I'm an orthodontist as my profession, and that is
어머
a
치과 의사야.
덴티스트.
So what I do is I move teeth around so that I can create beautiful smiles and I can make sure that people's bites come together properly. So I graduated from Brigham Young University in 2002. And then from there, I went to dental school in Virginia.
아 다시.
I finished dental school in 2006.
Vacuum the office
Vacuum the office when you
when crumbs are spilled.
when crumbs are spilled.
Yes.
유쾌해 보이신다.
Rob 아주 명랑하고 협조성이 아주 최고요. 캠프 할 때 서로 도와줘야 되는 거예요. Rob가 아주 최대한 협조를 한 사람이에요.
분위기 메이커.
약간 리더구나.
어느 날 한 사건이 있었어요. 우리는 가까운 포항 갔었어요. 그들이 다 들어왔을 때 아마 11시경인가 난 아주 화를 냈어요. 난 야단 쳤습니다. 난 야단을 잘 안 해요. 그날은 좀 야단 쳤어요. 난 Rob 기억해요. 다른 학생은 말 안 하고 Rob가 I'm sorry, professor. 아주 그 사람은 진짜 사람이야. 난 Rob는 여러 가지로 애정이 많은 사람이에요.
As you find your way, yet we remain unbroken. And wherever you may go, wherever you call home, my arms are here wide open. I know I'm different
I do remember, somewhat like Dr. Peterson remembers how, I stood him up. We had a lot of fun with him. He was always very open to discussing different things with us. He was very, very gentle and kind and loving with, and I remember admiring that about him.
I belong here. We belong.
So I took away a lot of lessons going to that summer camp. Helped me a lot with the way that I view family relationships, learning about Confucian ideals in Korean culture, being able to help them and cheer them up. So that's really who I am. Way nicer outside than it is inside.
The rods, P90X.
This Kim Gu. Kim Gu.
Oh, okay. You are like this unending wealth of information. You're so funny.
You want some of this?
I won't say no. That's for sure.
You got beautiful tea.
약간 좋은 인간형의 그냥 정석 같은 느낌인데요.
나이스 가이다, 나이스 가이. 야, 다음 우리 제자분.
My name is Nathan Jennings.
이분은 좀 변화가 많았네요.
I'm Nathan Jennings. I'm 49 years old. I am a software attorney for a software company. And I live in
변호사야? 다 엘리트들이시네. 변호사,
my son and daughter. Our project management software is called Adobe Workfront. And so now I am part of
엄청
the
큰
Adobe
회사에 계시네.
저기 아니야? PDF 파일?
PDF.
어머, 앞서서.
포토샵.
나 거기서 근무하는 사람 처음 봤어요.
그러니까요.
우와.
My father is also an attorney. He did Korean international business law for many years.
저 아버지가
아버지께서.
If you want to meet,
네이슨이라고 하면은 그래 아주 똑똑해요. 아버지는 변호사하고 아주 말 잘하고 똑똑해요. 미국에 제일 똑똑한 사람이라고 알고 있습니다. 진짜요. 아버지 좀 닮아서 좀 그런 것 같아요. 그 아버지도 알아요, 제가.
in the 1980s, the Korean economy was blowing up. It was growing very fast, and they needed joint venture agreements between American companies and Korean companies. So my father went to work at Kim and Chang Law Firm in Seoul, Korea, and he worked there from 1981 to 1992.
김장이 아니라 김앤장이라고?
김앤장이에요.
대박이다.
야, 이거.
In 1981, my father had a job at the Kim and Chang Law Firm. Hyundai Motors was wanting to do deals with American car companies. They wanted to bring McDonald's to Korea. There was no McDonald's in Korea, but they wanted to open McDonald's, KFC in Korea, American products in Korean stores.
햄버거 저 아버님이 들여오신 거구나.
네, 그래요. 됐어요.
어머나.
감사한 분이네.
그러니까 저게 1988년 그 압구정점이 최초점이거든요. 그러니까 저 네이선 아버님 때문에 우리가 햄버거를 먹게 된
감사한
겁니다.
분이다.
저 감사하네.
다른 분들보다 조금 더 감사의 마음을 더 드리겠습니다. 예. 조금 더 저는.
준현 씨는 많이 감사해요.
많이 감사드려야죠.
와, 대박.
So have a chance to travel to Korea. You know, I remember when the Lucky Company and the Gold Star Company were two different companies at that time. There was no LG.
럭키 치약도 만들고.
맞아요. 잘하시네.
잘하시네. 젊은 양반이 잘하시네.
어떻게 알아? 아니 럭키 치약을 어떻게 하세요?
저 대한민국 역사박물관에서 해설사로 활동하고 있어요.
해설했대.
내가 쓰던 게 역사박물관에 있어.
그렇지.
하면서.
나는 럭키 치약 썼습니다. 진짜로. 무슨 박물관 아니고.
저는 박물관에서만 봤어요.
I remember when they opened Lotte World. I was there the very first weekend they opened it. I went with my friends.
열었을 때 나도 못 가봤는데
야, 제일 부럽다.
저분
이거 뭐야.
갔었네.
Amusement park like that before. Is Kimpo Airport still out there? I think Seoul grew. If you had to come to the airport, it was a very, very long drive. Hodori, the mascot of the 1988 Olympics, was my hero.
호돌이.
But that doesn't exist anymore. Seoul, for me, Korea is 1988 Seoul when the Olympics happened. So that was my thought of Seoul, and that was my thought of Korea.
아, 진짜.
그럼 진짜 깜짝 놀랄 텐데. 오면.
그치.
Are the Hete Tigers still around? I used to be a Hete Tiger.
I don't know.
I bet they don't exist anymore from the reaction I'm seeing on the other side of the table.
You know more than we do.
President's around the corner
Yeah, that's
over
right.
there.
Yeah, I know which one you're talking about now. Look at this tape deck. It's made by Gold Star, right? Like this is before the Lucky Gold Star merger time. Oh, I had a Panasonic tape player like that when I was a kid.
예.
My name is Adam Egbert. I live in Payson, Utah, and I have 5 children and a beautiful wife.
5명.
Yeah. 농구 team.
Can you please more explain to us about your job?
Sure, yeah. So typically in the morning, I'll wake up and be with the kids. I'll help get the kids off to school, and then I'll go exercise. Lately, I've been doing a lot of pickleball for exercise.
전업주부시라고.
But I do like basketball. It is very busy. Very little time to rest, but that's okay.
애가 5이면은 쉴 틈 없지.
Resting and doing nothing, I feel like something's wrong sometimes. I feel
애덤이라고 컴퓨터 하는 사람인데 그 사람이 너무 특수한 양반이에요. 어떻게 특수하냐면은 지금 54살 다 되는데 퇴직했습니다. 아기와 같이 있도록. 또 아기를 다 결혼하고 저 둥지를 날아가버린 후 다시 직장 하겠다고. 이야, 대단한 거예요.
야, 그 진짜 대단한 거지.
I worked at Adobe for 12 and a half years, and I was a consultant for them, and I also ran their partner program. I was actually in a paragliding accident in 2019 when I was still at Adobe. In fact, the place where it happened is right over here on this mountain over here. So I learned how to paraglide, and I'd been doing it for about a year and a half.
어이구.
큰 사고였네.
큰 사고가 났군요. 와우.
It was a very trying experience. It was very difficult in a lot of ways, but at the same time, we grew as a family. We grew closer together. My philosophy is to flip retirement a bit on its head and take the time that I would later in life and use it now to be with my kids, to spend time with my wife.
멋있네. 은퇴 후의 삶을 먼저 쓴다.
To do those things that will be
대단한
most
거예요.
impactful for my family long term. In fact, this is a little off topic, but after summer school, so one of the phrases in Korean that I really love is 고생구치 낙이 온다.
와.
삶을 관통하는 문장이었겠어요.
그렇네.
And that was really eye-opening for me. It really, I think, helped me understand Korean people much better to see their background and where they came from. I love Cologne.
클론? 군다리 샤바라.
마음대로 일이 되지 않을 때 바다를 찾아가 노래를 불러봐 궁다리 샤바라 빠빠빠빠. It's been too long.
아, 근데 이분도 참 멋있네요.
네가 좋아 네가 좋아
First, so cool. Water was sporadic. It would come.
네가 좋아
And each of them are.
아, 이 형님은 또 이제 감성이 좀 충만하신 형님이네.
네가 좋아 네가 좋아 네가 좋아 좋아 죽겠어.
We came to appreciate what we had. We came to appreciate. It's been 25 years, and I can't wait to go back to some of the places that we visited.
Yeah, it's been many years since I visited Korea. Having children and the difficulty of traveling with children.
Life just gets in the way. It's very busy. Quickly, time has passed, and I just haven't had that opportunity.
나는 이 사람들을 다시 보는 거 보고 싶어요. 아직도 제 자녀처럼 제 자녀처럼 제 학생이라고 좀 생각해요. 우리 학생 지금 성인들인데 그들이 지금 나이가 내가 그때 서머스쿨 할 때 똑같은 나이예요. 난 그때 52세, 54세였습니다. 네. 한 번 죽기 전에 다시 학생을 데리고 그들의 눈에 어떤 건지 좀 보고 싶어요. 학생의 눈을 좀 보고 싶어요. 어떤지.
Holy smokes.
Look.
See how much has changed, and really for the positive overall. It's
똑똑 우리당.
똑똑 우리 땅.
우리나라다. He is the cousin from the same family. 16th descendant of Kim In-Hoo. 좋다.
맛있습니다.
That's really good. Really good.
That's really good flavor.
Stay here and have 된장국.
이거 참 기대됩니다 이거.
되게 궁금하네요.
반갑습니다. 안녕하세요.
교수님이 지금 로블 마중 나가시네요.
여기 비행장에 우리 학생들 50세 된 학생들 오는 거 기대하고 있습니다. 오시나 안 오시나 모르겠어요. 오실겠죠. 안녕하세요.
네, 안녕하세요.
네, 손님 오셨어요?
저 옆에 분 처음 만난 분이에요.
예, 그래요.
모르는 분하고
같이 기다리는데.
Are you waiting with someone?
Yeah.
Any someone significant?
To me, he's a former student of mine. Yeah, there are 3 of my former students who are coming.
I see. Are you like a professor?
Yeah. 야,
약간의 긴장과 설레임이 좀 느껴지네요, 교수님께서.
좋습니다.
그러니까 왜 1터미널에?
그러니까.
저긴 한 명인데.
그동안 서머 스쿨 한 사람들 자주 못 만났어요. 애덤 다른 일로 만났고 로빈은 그동안 못 뵙고 오랫동안 25년 동안 그 사람을 못 만났는데 다시 보는 거 보고 싶어요.
he's a guide for me. I feel like if I saw him in Korea, when we go there, I feel like I would just be ecstatic. I mean, it would bring back a lot of memories, and I would love to see him.
맞아. 마음에 품고 있는 은사님이 있는데 어떻게 뭐가 안 돼서 뵐 기회는 없었던.
교수님도 지금 살짝 좀 긴장하신 것 같아요.
설렘, 긴장.
Rob.
어떻게 알아보시지?
우와.
25년 만에 보신 건데.
얼굴이 똑같던가요?
예.
그 당시랑?
예, 똑같아요. Good to see you.
맙소사 27년 만에
I recognize you. It's been 100 years. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
How are you doing?
You're taller than you used to be.
Taller shoes.
Yeah.
아 이번 어서관 좀 뭔가 다르다.
야 이거는 세다 묵직해.
You look good.
Yeah, thanks. You too. Are you
And-
still doing tries?
No,
No?
no, I've lost my knees.
Oh, okay.
I
So
still
you can't
swim
do
and
that.
bike.
Oh, okay.
You got beautiful teeth.
No, thanks.
Don't look at my
You
teeth.
doing good?
I'm doing well.
Good. Sometimes. Yeah. So we had 5. Yeah. So we. It's hard to believe that it's been so long.
It's been 25 years.
Yeah.
And you're an orthodontist,
Yes.
and you have a good business.
I think so. Sometimes I question my integrity or my sanity.
Yeah. Are you busy? You mean?
Yeah, we're busy, and then just dealing with staff sometimes. Managing people is sometimes harder than straightening teeth.
Yeah. The
Yeah,
teeth.
so-
The teeth are easy. It's the people that
Yeah.
are hard.
Yeah. I was dreaming last night of having to reposition brackets over and over. That's my
That's
life.
your nightmare,
Yeah,
huh?
that's my life. Yeah. I mean, and it's
다 털어놓게 되죠. 무장 해제.
맞아.
Oh yeah.
10% make 90% of the problems, and that's like true all across the board. I think. We'll take you to Korea.
I guess so.
Yeah. So when you come to Korea, what do you do normally?
I shoot YouTube videos
okay.
and I give lectures. Yeah, you ought to subscribe to my channel.
Yeah.
Here's my name card. Here's my old BYU.
Okay.
And it's the frog outside the well.
Oh, okay. I like it.
So sign up. You can be 188,000.
How about I sign up right now?
아 구독을 하는 것까지 확인을 하고 계시는구나.
Well, I have a eSIM right now, so the frog or
Just frog.
Oh, okay.
Go to. 맨날 선전해요.
그건
하셔야죠.
진정한 유튜버의 자세죠.
There we go.
Good. 188,001.
There you go. I'm the next one.
5-6 hours another night. Hey,
Hey, look, there's Adam
look who's here.
and Nathan.
Hey.
아, 다른 친구들도 오랜만에 보시네.
Rob.
And Nathan.
Hey, Rob.
Okay, now we're improved with the.
굉장한 조우다 이거는.
I'm good. How are you? How are you? You too.
How are you? It's nice to
see you.
see you.
It's been
Give
a
me
long
big hug.
time.
It has been a long time. How are you? It's nice to see you.
It's
Give
been
me
a
a
long
big hug.
time.
It has been a long time. But
That's okay.
it's good to see you.
You too.
Yeah. It's good to see you.
You too.
한국 학과 학생들 아니에요. 직업은 다 달라졌지만 한국 학과를 전공한 학생들이야.
둘이 되어버린 날이 든 것 같아 가슴에 하나의
Yeah.
5 kids. I've lost track of how many you have. You have 2.
Two kids. Two kids.
Okay.
Boy and a girl.
You're a real Korean.
We did our best with the
Yeah. Yeah. Let's go down this way, and
Well, should we check out the changes?
Oh yeah. Love to see it.
Yeah, it's really beautiful, this new terminal.
인천 공항에 볼 게 많아요, 진짜.
인천 그치 인천 볼만해.
알 것도 많고.
Do people still use Gimpo Airport?
있긴 한데
쓰긴 하지.
Gimpo Airport and then the airplane traveling to America. And so I just wonder, is Gimpo Airport still out there? I think Seoul grew.
인천공항이 2001년에 개장했거든요. 그러니까 그때는 저분들은 못 보신 거죠.
이분들이 99년에
99년이죠.
Yes, it is.
사일럼? 인천공항이 공항 랭킹에서도 거의
1위였지.
그러니까.
지금도 1위인가?
Oh, Korean. So that's good.
It was very cool.
Real
looking.
planes.
Well, no, they were graphically depicted, but it was the actual
What
flight.
do you remember of your airport when you left?
I feel like none of this is recognizable
Yeah,
from when we were here before.
completely unrecognizable.
Yeah, I feel like, but yeah, I mean, it's not. I feel like it's not recognizable at all. I mean,
Yeah.
I wouldn't be surprised if someone said, yeah, they built it all new.
Yeah.
김포인 줄 아시는 거 같아요.
김포가 저렇게 바뀐 걸로.
네.
김포의 증축을 저렇게 한 줄.
And it's beautiful. Look at this garden here.
Yeah.
I mean, that's not an ordinary garden. That's really
Those are real flowers, yeah?
real flowers.
아, 저 생화였어.
But to put it in that wooden form,
Right.
Koreans have a sense of mot,
Yeah. Like,
class, or
yes.
taste.
Yeah.
And Koreans are really, you see it all over
Right.
the place.
Yeah. So speaking of that, I mean, like over there at the the information counter, they have eSIM and Wi-Fi and things like that.
Yeah.
So I feel like the last time we were here, mobile phones and things were, relatively new.
Yeah.
But just before that, everyone had beepy, like the.
Yeah, pages. Yeah, it's really changed a lot.
So yeah.
그때 모바일폰 있었어요.
맞아요.
아주 신식. 그때 새로
011, 017, 016, 018, 019 시절.
맞아요.
Let's go down here to the river.
Okay.
Like, okay.
Just
The
sitting
lulling
down.
rhythm of the
Yeah.
motion.
Yeah,
Yes.
exactly. Don't cut corners.
Don't cut corners. Don't step on the grass.
Beautiful. That
Yeah, this
That-
is an amazing. Yeah, that's amazing.
참 잘해놨어.
진짜 다양한 게 있어요.
Thinking that I'm right here where you left me patiently waiting for your call, Never imagine that I'd ever tell you
그치, 그때 서울을 안 갔으니까.
before. If you thought how you were so
Budget are we going to use?
Yeah.
See, everything like this. You see that? And you've got a butterfly over here.
Wow. That's cool.
I mean, is this a great country or what?
Yeah.
Hey, let's go to the hub.
야, 진짜 사람 많네.
Have a good time. Look at all these people standing in line.
This is cool. I feel like there should be an event going on, but people just like being here.
This is the Panpo Park. Panpo River Park, yeah.
Okay. I like all the art here too.
Yeah, the sculptures.
Yeah.
really interesting, huh?
Very cool. Very modern.
So, you're going for a stroll in the evening like this, and you've got a butterfly over here, but then you've got some poetry over here. You can stop and read a poem or two.
That's cool.
Oh, and another thing that's really great about Korea with poetry is on the subway, look at all these happy people.
Yeah,
And good-looking people, huh?
I know, right?
요가시네.
There's not a homely one in the crowd.
We're in the crowd.
Yeah, we're not helping.
There are 4 homely
록은
ones
점수
in the
높이고
crowd.
있는.
록은 비주얼 담당.
Boys and girls together, too,
Yeah.
which is really nice to see.
Yes.
Because maybe they'll get married.
Maybe.
And
Well, that's a big cultural shift, isn't it? You used to see groups of young people, mostly same-sex groups, like a bunch of teenage boys or college-age boys.
Separately.
Yeah, separately. But now you're seeing a lot more younger couples or mixed gender groups hanging out of young people. That's a big cultural change.
요즘 남자끼리는 잘 안 가죠.
그쵸.
한강이요? 남자끼리? 러닝 같은 거 할 때 오늘 한번 죽도록 뛰어볼까 싶을 때
누가 더 땀 많이 흘리나.
라이딩이나 뭐.
There's someone in a jet ski, someone on a yacht on the river, and it really is kind of a magical place.
And the detractions are gone, right?
Yeah.
I mean, the trash.
맞아, 가끔 물끄러미 야경 보고 있으면 야, 서울 진짜 멋있다 생각 들어요.
I gotta get a picture here too.
Looking over this. We're looking at this. We're looking at this. Yeah. You know, we could talk here about how the Han River's become clean.
Right.
Missionary in '65. Way up yonder, there was a place called Tuksum, and it had a sandy shore.
Yeah.
And that's where you go swimming. And we'd come with, you know,
그래, 가끔 저 TV에서 봤어.
그러니까 60년대 그냥 저 수영장이었어요.
그러니까.
and the water was that clear. And then it got polluted, and then they decided to clean it up. And they got really serious about it.
Yeah.
그 어렸을 때 뉴스에서 뭐 페놀 뭐 방류한 뭐 어디가 뭐 어떻게 됐습니다. 뭐 그런 뉴스를 봤던 기억이 나.
That's polluted, they trace it upstream and find where that pollutant disappeared, and then come back and follow and see if it was on the left or the right. They trace it to the factory that was contributing the pollution.
And then they say you got to pay for cleanup.
Yeah. They cleaned it. I don't know what the
Yeah.
regulations were, but they, you know, they had to clean it up, and they did. And look at it now.
이거 대단한 거예요. 프랑스 올림픽 때 하려고 했는데
아, 그치 올림픽 때
쉽진 않아요.
You know, they had to clean it up, and they did. And look at it now.
It really is.
And there's someone in a jet ski, someone on a yacht.
과거의 한강은 뭐 개발의 상징이었다면 이젠 이 여유의 상징이 됐죠.
And the detractions are gone, right? I mean, the trash or the dirty water, or the things we've talked about. I mean, it is a beautiful place, and like
When
you
I
said,
talk
magical.
about all these wonderful places,
Fantastic to me. I mean,
they really are.
Yeah.
And they're beautiful.
Yeah, they are. Fantastic to me. I mean,
They really are.
Yeah.
And they're
근데 이게 사실 우리 프로그램에서는 늘 와서 놀라고 신기해하고 이거 뭐야 막 검색해보고 이건데 이번에는 VCR에서 알려주고 제가 하고 있는 게 제가 할 게 없네요.
그러니까
네.
굉장히 유익하고
희한한 느낌이네요 이게요.
Well, it's interesting too because the buildings are all like really modernized. I as we drove down, you know, around to cross the bridge.
또 설명해 주시려고.
Originally, when they were put up, they had Chinese names. There was Tongbang, and there was Tongbang and Hanyang.
Oh yeah.
And
맞아.
I saw one over here that had the Hanja on it.
I say it has the Hanja on the side, and that's a certain vintage, a little bit older. Then the next vintage is pure Hangul. Then the next vintage is pure Hangul, like Kenari and Mujige. So you know the forsythia flower and the rainbow.
Right.
와 처음 알았어.
그래, 그러네 그러고 보니까.
We lived in the Chunhua part.
Chunhua, that's pure Chinese.
Yeah, that would be the first generation of
1세대 아파트야.
Second generation is Hangul.
Hangul names.
Third generation is Chai,
Yeah.
Remian,
Yeah.
one Bailey, and are not Korean at all. And the word is, why do they have exotic Western style names?
지금 보면서
Why do they
약간
have
혼나는
exotic
느낌이 드는 거는 뭐
Western
저만 그런
style
건가?
names? And the answer is
Why?
the answer is so that mother-in-law can't pronounce it and can't come over and visit.
Is that the real reason?
No, it's a real joke.
Yeah.
야, 이거 완전 한국식 유머인데. 그래.
Bad joke예요.
아, bad joke.
And that's one of the major.
Yeah. As we drove down, around to cross the bridge, I noticed on the left-hand side there were some really old buildings, and those are the buildings I remember.
Yeah, those are the ones I remember as well. Yeah. But
And,
there's not that many of those
Yeah,
left.
exactly. And so
There were starting to be some of the high-rise apartments and that sort of thing, but these are just really modern and really beautiful.
어이구, 야 저렇게 비교하니까 확실히
그러네요. 땅에서 솟아나서 자란 것 같다 막 느낌이 저렇게 보니까.
I think that the skyline has changed too, right? Like, just the volume and number of buildings.
You're supposed to reflect on the last 25 years.
Yeah.
I cannot but reflect on the last 60 years.
Yeah.
Look.
Here we go.
Oh, that's cool.
Look.
Oh, here we go.
Here we go.
Oh, that's cool. Yeah.
Oh, here we go. Here we go.
아, 이 음악이 나와. 아, 요 타이밍이 있구나.
사실 분수는 보통 뭐 호텔 앞에 광장이나 뭐 이런 곳에 넣어진 다리에
게다가
넣어진
정말
않아요.
길잖아요. 이게 기네스 아마 기록일 거예요.
아,
그렇죠.
네.
분수가.
That is actually really cool.
That is cool.
그리고 한때 저기 분수 아직은 모르지만 작년까지 제 노래가
진짜요?
나왔었어요.
어떤 노래요?
이러면 안 될 것 같은데 너 앞에 오면 나락이라고 10cm랑 한 노래 있는데
아, 그 분수 터질
분수
때?
터질 때 제 노래가
소쇼할 때.
그 노래가 나왔어요. 아주 뿌듯했었던.
어딘지.
서울시 뭐 하십니까? 예, 이어가 주시죠.
That is cool.
Yeah, it is really cool.
Maybe I should stop and start confessing.
It doesn't get any better than this.
Yeah, this is really cool.
When you go crazy, you take all my inhibitions. Baby, this
저기 이뻐.
예뻐요.
is tear up my reputation.
Is there an intangible energy here?
Yes.
There really is, isn't there? I don't know how you put your finger on it.
Right.
You can't, it's intangible. You can't, it's intangible.
I feel like,
지야?
and generally, I don't feel like a deliberate push to enhance, the river and then the nightlife along the river in Seoul. Like,
Yeah.
I mean, you have a bridge. You could just leave it alone, but they're like, let's do a fountain show on the bridge. Just a really cool.
It's a cool idea.
Yeah.
A riverside park with a cool vibe, or people
Right.
want to come and they can have cool events.
Yeah.
Well, and even
Well, are you happy to be in Korea?
I'm really happy to be here.
this is so cool.
Yeah.
I can't even.
Well, it's a beautiful day in May.
Yeah.
Who could ask for anything more?
너무
I mean,
딱 예쁜 분위기다. 사람도 많고
날씨도 너무
바글바글하고.
좋고 행복할 수밖에 없어.
사람도 좋았고.
This is the love I
모두의 즐거움 MBC EVERYONE